Hey everybody, I wasn't gonna buy nothing for Black Friday, but when I saw this and I thought I could get a 2 TB, but they didn't have a 2 TB, no, 2 TBs were a little bit more expensive. So I just like, you know what, I'll buy this. So I bought a WD 1 TB hard drive M.2 for my laptop. Now remember, I bought a 2 TB M.2 for the laptop, but then remember, I built my computer and put the 2 TB in the big computer, and then I was just stuck with the 500 gigabyte when they came with the computer. So today, Black Friday, so I just broke down and bought this. This was $115, but with tax and everything, it's $127. So I bought this. Let's take a look at it. Look at that. Wait a minute. Turn around. Got that. Boom. And that's backwards. Then look at the back. See, and there go the terabyte. There we go. Hard drive in the window. Look at that. So, let's open it. So, we're going to open it. I tear the stick tape off, and you know how I am with the stick tape. With no fingernails. There it is. There it is. Let me see. Which way is it going? We'll see. Yeah, WD Black. And here is your booklet. Western Digital booklet that comes with it, and we don't read it. And put it back. Now let's take this out of here. Let me show you real close because I can't see my damn self. This is a WD. Now the thing is, this is like a gaming hard drive. It's going into a gaming laptop and stuff, and I don't know which way this thing is going. So you put your screw right here, and you put it in, boom, and that's what I'm gonna show y'all. But hold on, let me look at this for a minute. Okay, so now we're going to put this into the laptop. Acer Nitro 5, 17-inch, Intel, 9th gen, and stuff like that. Hold on. Okay, now I gotta figure out which one of these is, because every time I do this, oh, this one is it. Because this one's hard, so it's not empty. So I'm going to unscrew it. Okay, I'm going to get my other screwdriver here. Get my other screwdriver. There we go. Now this SSD here is going in here for games, because the other one has been taken up. It's been taken up with a lot of stuff. So yeah, So you take your M.2 and you have to place it in here right. There you go. Because here has always been my problem is this. Yeah, because the wire is in the way. I gotta push it over as best as I can. Now, when you do stuff like this, you do know sometimes you do avoid your warranty on these things. Damn, I have to go get some light. Okay, hold on, gal. I gotta go get some light. Okay, so we got it. We got some light. Now, let me. You know what? Hold on. I don't need the light. Hold on. I'll show you. You take it. Is it in all the way though? It don't. Let me see. Yeah, it's all the way in. Cause see how it's oh no, it's not matching up with the screw though. Yeah, I got it, but there it is. So now I gotta put the screw in right there, but then I have to push it in more. So hold on. Okay, now you see, let me show you how. You have to push it all the way up under here. You have to push it all the way up under here to get it like that. So it's completely in there. So now I just get the screw and put it in and the plate. So let me get that because I got to put this plate back on there with the adhesive and stuff, and then we'll show it, see if it's on there. So the thing is, you have to line this screw up. It's lined up. So now to tighten it up. Damn it. Hold on. Okay, I got it lined up. Let me screw it back in. What the hell? Let's see. Nope, it's not in there. I wonder what's going on here. Hold on. Let me see if it's lined up right. Okay, so now I can screw it in because I find you have to line this up and it's kind of hard. Let me use my other hand. Oh, but use my other hand. Oh, look damn. Oh. Let's see, is it tight? It's tight. So now I gotta try to set it up and everything and see if it's on there. So hold on.